Did you hear that strange sound after Takbeer? Yes, it came from outside.
Everyone became quiet suddenly. That sounded really scary. The Eid lights look beautiful tonight. And the whole street feels peaceful. I love hearing Takbeer during Eid. Me too. It makes me happy. Wait, I heard the sound again. Huh. This time it sounded closer. Do you think someone is outside? I don't know. Maybe. The gate just moved by itself. That's impossible. Oh, look at the shadows near the wall. Something feels very strange. Why did the lights become dim? I suddenly feel nervous. I heard footsteps. Someone is definitely there. Come outside! Oh! Did you hear that voice? Yes, and I don't like it. The shadows are moving again. Ali, read something. I feel really scared now. Remember Allah. Ali, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Keep reading it. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. The strange sound is gone? Allah protected us.
Allah's name protects believers from fear.
I already feel safer now. The lights are normal again. And the street feels peaceful.
Fear becomes smaller when faith becomes stronger.
I will always remember that. Takbeer makes the heart strong, and Allah always protects us. Always remember Allah during fear and happiness.
Insha'Allah.
We always will.